Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine. And you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss about direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech means pratyekha ukti. Indirect speech means parokya ukti. ମନେ ପକାଉ ଗତକାଲି ଆମେ ପଞ୍ଚମ ଶ୍ରେଣୀ ସାହିତ୍ୟ କୁସୁମର କାଲବେରିଆ କାନ୍ଦୁଚି ପାଠର ପ୍ରଶ୍ନୋତ୍ତର କରିଥିବା ସମୟରେ ଆମେ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଉକ୍ତି ପରୋକ୍ଷ ଉକ୍ତି ବିଷୟରେ ଟିକେ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ପାଇଲେ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ, ନୁହଁ କି? ତ ଏଇଠି ମଧ୍ୟ ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା ଯେ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ସ୍ପିଚ୍ ଟୁ ଇନଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ସ୍ପିଚ୍ କରିବା ମାନେ କ'ଣ କରିବା ନା ଇନଭର୍ଟେଡ୍ କମା ଉଠେଇବା। ଇନଷ୍ଟେଡ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଇନଭର୍ଟେଡ୍ କମା वी shall use that to if whether or five, right? As per the sentence in inverted comma, jodi inverted, if the sentence in inverted comma is a declarative sentence, we generally use that instead of inverted comma. If the sentence in the inverted comma is an imperative sentence, we use to instead of inverted comma. If the sentence in inverted comma is a yes no question, we use if or whether instead of inverted comma, right? If the sentence in inverted comma is a WH question, we do not use anything instead of inverted comma, we just remove inverted comma. So if this sentence in inverted comma is an exclamatory sentence, in that case we use that instead of inverted comma. So that को क्षेत्र व्यवहार करोची in which case? In the case of declarative sentence and in the case of exclamatory sentence, we use that instead of inverted comma. दुईट वाक्य आमे that व्यवहार करछे, exclamatory and declarative, right? So today we shall discuss about exclamatory sentence in inverted comma. Look at the exclamation in indirect speech. Look at the following sentences and make how exclamatory sentences is become statement in indirect speech. Mark the question. Here is the question, right? So what a splendid sunset this is. The sentence in inverted comma ends with the exclamation mark, right? He said. So indirect speech. Said becomes exclaimed. Said. He said became he exclaimed. Instead of said, exclaimed used. So he exclaimed in joy that it was really a splendid sunset. Inverted comma removed. Exclamatory mark removed. He said, alas, the poor old man is dead. He exclaimed in sorrow. Dukhare. Alas means aha. In Oriya that is aha. Dukha prakash korche. So he exclaimed in sorrow that use kora, that use kora, that is used, that is also used. Instead of inverted comma, that the poor old man was dead. Tense is became was. He said good luck. He wished me good luck. Said became wished. Next, he said to me congratulations. He congratulated me. Abhinandan janela. He said liar michua. He called me a liar. Mate michua boli dakila. He said how dreadful. He exclaimed that it was very dreadful. Bhayangara. He said hello. He said hello. Where do you live? He greeted me and asked me where I lived. He said good morning. He wished me a good morning. Here is he said good morning. Yes. Mark the modals in the following sentence. My teacher said. Can you the modal? You know there are 13 modals. Shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must, need, dare, ought to, use to 32 modals. 11 primaries. Total helping verbs 24. Right? So can is one of them, you know. So my teacher said, can you work out this sum? and I said no. My teacher asked me if, can you yes no question? So instead of inverted comma, if weather is used. Look at the answer. My teacher asked me if whether I could work out the sum, and I replied that I couldn't. He said, can you go to the circus? He asked me if whether I could go. So turn into indirect speech here. Consult a doctor immediately, he said to me. Mark the sentence in inverted comma. What is that? This is the imperative sentence. We shall use to instead of inverted comma. So he advised me. He said became advised me. He advised me. Here we will write. Yes, just 1 minute. He advised me. Yes, he advised me to consult to लगा inverted comma उठे दवा, right? Yes, we will make a small letter consult. He advised me to consult a doctor immediately. Let's remove inverted comma, right? He advised to consult a doctor immediately. Next one is hurry up or you will miss the train, he said to me. That is, he asked me, it will become, he said to me will become, he asked me, and we will write at first. He asked me, ask, he asked, said to the asked me, but he asked me to hurry. Let's remove inverted comma. Let's make a small letter. Hurry. To hurry up, or I would. You will become I would. Will become would. Past tense would. O-U-L-D. Would. I would miss the train. Miss the train. Okay. Yes, let's do it. Let's train, remove inverted comma. Okay, done. Next one. Don't get addicted to tea, he said to me. So he advised me again. It will the reporting verb will go to the front. Yes. Here capital letter he advised me not to get addicted. Do not will become not to. Not to, do not will become not to. Yes, not to get addicted to tea. Let's remove inverted comma. Right. Next, your mouth smells foul. Tom to party gonduchi. Don't open it, he said. Right. Next, he said that my mouth. He said that we will write here. He said that my mouth, your tab my mouth, M-O-U-T-H, mouth. My mouth smells foul. Smells foul. Yes, full stop. Let's remove it. Yes, next. The captain said, hurry, we have scored 2 goals. Hooray, that is not hurry, that is hooray. So the answer is the captain applauded, tali koro tali marla. The captain said badal applauded, applauded koro tali marle. A P P L Tell me. Applauded. Applauded. The captain applauded. Right? Applauded. Yes. Saying that they applauded. Saying that. Saying saying. Saying
That.
that. Tell. We will become they. They. Yes. They have will become had. They had
They had
scored
scored
2 goals. Full stop. Exclamation mark. Remove. Full stop. Let's use full stop. The general said, "Bravo! You have done wonders." The general admired. The general said will become admired. 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 Me. Admired me. Admired me and told that and told that
I had
that I had have will become had, you know, had done wonders, right?
done wonders.
Wonders, full stop. Next, the teacher said to Nirmala, "What a lazy boy you are." The teacher told Nirmala, said to will become told. Told. T-O-L-D. Told. Nirmala, comma, yes. Nirmala that
He was
he was a very lazy boy. Very lazy boy. B-O-Y boy. Full stop.
Hit the small
Small letter ab. Okay. I shall do it. Just 1 minute. Okay. Next. My friend said to me, "How nice of you to have come." So, my friend exclaimed in joy. My friend exclaimed in joy. Exclaimed in joy. Yes. That it was nice of me. That
it was
it just 1 minute. It was nice
of me
of me. Yes.
to have come.
To have come. To have come. C-O-M-E come. Full stop. Next. The traveler said, "Farewell, friends." The travelers bade his friends goodbye.
Say it with the bed.
Yeah. The traveler
Bed.
traveler bed, B-A-D bed, his friends, F-R-I-E-N-D-S,
Goodbye.
friends, goodbye. Goodbye, B-Y, bye. Full stop. Next one is the beggar, right? Oh, for a morsel of food. The beggar wished for a morsel of food. The beggar
Excited लिखा है
द beggar, हाँ, द beggar,
reached
WISHED, wished for
for
a morsel
of
of
food.
food. Okay. Next one is exercise, that is what is given. If only, that is just answer question is if only I had the wings, WINGS, wings of a
Dove.
dove, DOV, dove, inverted exclamatory mark, then inverted comma, right? He said, then he said, SAID, said. Okay, so full stop. So that it will become he wished that, it will become he wished, WISH, how, yes, he wished, WISHED, wished that, he wished that
If
if only he had, if only
he had
he
had
had,
the wings
the wings, WINGS,
of a dove.
of a
Dove.
DOV, dove. Okay, full stop. Okay, done. Now let's do another. Yes, if I had. Could understand? Now we shall do here some another one. Just 1 minute. We will clear it. Okay, one. Here is a sentence that is what a lazy boy. That is, this one. Tell me. The teacher said to Nirmal. The teacher said, 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 comma, inverted comma. Sorry, said to Nirmal. Said to Nirmal. Right, comma, inverted comma, what a lazy boy, what a lazy boy, 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 you are, right? So exclamatory mark, yes. Then ए सेंटेंस टाको आम कौन करिया, मार्क दैट द सेंटेंस इन इन्वर्टेड कॉमा इज व्हाट ए लेजी बॉय यू आर, इट इज इन एक्सक्लेमेटरी फॉर्म. वी शैल चेंज इट इनटू स्टेटमेंट. आपको आम स्टेटमेंट कर देबा. स्टेटमेंट कले लेट्स से व्हाट ए लेजी बॉय यू आर, एटा डिवाइड कर दियो हियर. लेट्स डिवाइड हियर कर देले, डिवाइड कर देले ना. तो एटा ए जो दिस इज व्हाट ए लेजी बॉय, first part, this is the first part, this is the second part. ताकि हमें एक्सचेंज कर देबा. फर्स्ट पार्ट टाको आगु नहीं जीवा, सेकंड पार्ट टाको पछुको रखि देबा. सो एटे कोन हबो, यू आर, जस्ट 1 मिनिट. एटे कोन हे जीवो, एटा हबो यू आर, इन्वर्टेड कॉमा, you are a very lazy boy. BOY boy inverted comma full stop है invert हमें उठे देले कोड़ा उठे देले हमें उठे ले हेड एडा exclamatory mark डा वेट उठे देले ना U डा कैपिटल लेटर कर दवा U राइट जदि एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस देले प्रथम ताको एमिति स्टेटमेंट करिवो सब्जेक्ट पार्ट से पछू पड़ी ताको आगु आनिवरी अब आगोटा पछू नहीं जो एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क रा उठे दब स्टेटमेंट हो सारा तापर आमे कोन करिया ताको आमे इन्वर्टेड कॉमा बदली दैट लगे देबा राइट दैट जेहेतु एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क उठे देचे सेडी टूटा को एक्सक्लेम कर देबा exclaimed CLAIMED exclaimed हेला निर्मला that he निर्मल he you will become he are will become past tense was a very lazy boy remove inverted comma it's done तो एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस टाको स्टेटमेंट कर दब स्टेटमेंट कर सारा पर जाइकरी कंजक्शन दैट लगे आउ सेडी टूटा को जनरली वी डू एक्सक्लेम्ड राइट कुड अंडरस्टैंड सो फर्स्ट वी विल टर्न द एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस इनटू ए स्टेटमेंट देन वी शैल मेक द नेसेसरी चेंजेस एज पर द रूल ऑफ इनडायरेक्ट मेकिंग इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच ओके डन कुड अंडरस्टैंड Now let's move to the next point that is you have seen how different types of sentences are expressed in this reported speech. Now practice all the types in the following activity. Activity 8. Are you leaving today? Maggie asked. Yes, I replied. Today is the day of my departure. So this will become what? Yes, Maggie asked me if he was leaving that day. Could understand? And at this I replied that today was the day of my departure. How long will it take to reach your country? And in which part of the country do you live? She wanted to know. I replied Punjab in the west. So it's like this. Then she asked me how long it would take me to reach my country and in which part of the country I lived. So next one is I replied that I live in the western Punjab. Next, please put a flower on my brother's grave. She requested me with tears in her eyes. Maggie, Billy, Punjab, Maggie with tears in her hands with in eyes with tears in her eyes he requested or with a flower in her eyes yes yes eyes requested me to put a flower on her brother's grave and that is the end of direct speech and indirect speech of 10th class. We will discuss the direct speech and indirect plus 2 level in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.